Hold on. Let's zoom in on this color though. Bah. The hairline melted. Get your life. Hey you guys, so I have a video on this unit from AfSister Wig. I'll be sure to link all their information down below in my description box. I wanted to show you how this wig came packaged, and y'all please stay tuned because you're going to be in for a special treat. Of course, I had to start this video off showing you guys how this unit looks freshly washed, adhered to my head, and it is 100% dry, no products or anything. Nice and fluffy, 150% density, 14 inches, and this is how the hair looks. Just wet down with some water without products. I'm going to show you guys what products that I'm going to adhere to this wig shortly, but this is AfSister Wig's 13x6 lace frontal curly unit. And like I said, it's in the inches 14 and the density is 150%. And this color is their 99J color. And do you see how gorgeous this color looks? It's super natural and the roots are dyed 1B color.
Second, I know you feel the beat. Do you feel the rhythm all the way? Can you see the vision? Everything in this world will be okay. Can we be together all the way?
Sadly, I lost a clip of me showing the inside of this cap construction, but in the inside you do get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it does come with an adjustable elastic band made into it with like kind of like the bra strap hooks. So if you wanted to wear this wig glueless, you possibly can get away with that. The lace goes back 6 inches deep in the middle, so you really cannot beat that for the price because this wig is very affordable for a human hair unit. I would classify this texture like a kinky curly kind of texture, and I just wanted to show you guys a fun little top knot style before I give you guys my overall opinion about this wig. So stay tuned until the end. I wanted to cap this video off by giving you guys my overall opinion about this wig. Where do I start? This wig is so beautiful. Okay, we're going to tap into the color. You guys already know, if you are familiar with my channel, y'all know how I feel about burgundy colors against my skin complexion. So I'm here for this. Absolutely in love with the style, like the curl pattern, the color. I love how they dark rooted it and everything for you. It's just so natural. The hairline on the wig came pre-plucked and it came bleached and everything, so I didn't have to do too much to it. Of course, can be an overachiever sometimes, so I did go in and tweeze the parting space a little bit more just to get it to my liking, because for this look I decided that I didn't want to do baby hair. So y'all let me know down below if, I mean, did I melt her or no? Let me know. As far as the shedding and tangling everything goes, this is kind of like a kinky texture, so you will need to upkeep this wig. This is not the wig that you just want to be tossing all around like that. This wig it's going to need a little bit of care. As a matter of fact, I feel like this wig is very close to like my natural hair texture. If it was this bomb, this would be like my texture of my hair if my curls was popping like this. Okay, so just keep that in mind. It's more like a natural hair texture, so you're going to need to take care of this wig like you would take care of your own natural hair, like tying it up at night, keeping it hydrated. I can tell that this is the type of curl pattern that you're going to need to keep moisture in. So keep that in mind if you're going to purchase this wig, especially in this color. So if you decide to get this color, just know it's going to need a little bit of extra hydration. But you guys seen the two products that I used in this hair besides water, so it's not like it's the most high maintenance wig. You're just going to need to care for it a little bit extra since it has been dyed. Now, would I recommend this wig? Of course I would. This wig is absolutely beautiful. Like, I think it would be bomb in a natural color, but this burgundy color is giving me all kinds of vibes, okay? The vibes and feels are here, okay? I'm here for this wig. I can't say that enough. I don't have a con. Usually I at least have one con when it comes to a wig, but I don't have a con. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and leave a direct link to AfSister Wigs in my description box, as well as a direct link to this wig. I'll also put my exact information, like as far as the texture, the length, and everything. That'll be linked down below. So if you guys are interested in checking this wig out, then you'll have all the information that you need. So let me know how you feel about this wig down below. I definitely want you guys to chime in. I want to hear your thoughts. Let's interact, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hold on. Let's zoom in on this color though. Bah. The hairline melted. Get your life.